Sliding mode control of a 4-leg dynamic voltage restorer in a natural reference frame. Abstract. This project proposes a novel control strategy to enhance the performance of dynamic voltage restorers in power distribution systems. Here is our website, which you can find the EE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
This project explores the use of a DC source through a DVR to provide primary supply to the grid and both linear and nonlinear loads. The schematic of a 4-leg VSC-based DVR connected to a 3-phase 4-wire distribution system. The study disregards the dynamics of the DC link voltage, assuming a stiff DC bus connection for the power converter. In this section, the mathematical model of the 4-leg DVR and the conventional SMC design in the natural reference frame are examined to elucidate the challenge of assigning suitable values to the control input variables. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.